I'd like to throw it over to Adam Wirt, our executive producer. Adam, I understand we have a question?
Thanks, Gary. Yeah, our question today comes from Josh in Johns Creek. Josh says, I was recently in a wreck and my car has pretty extensive body damage. My shoulder has been bothering me the past few days and I think I might need to see a doctor. I was driving my car for a work-related job when this happened. I'm not one to sue, but I'm hurting and I don't want to make a bad decision today that I'll regret later. What are my options? And again, that's Josh from Johns Creek.
All right, thanks, Adam. And Josh, I am sorry to hear about your wreck and all the issues that I know go along with it. Josh, if you're hurting, I encourage you to go see a doctor. Don't wait, do it now. And it doesn't matter if you intend on pursuing a personal injury claim against the other driver. Look, you had your health before the wreck and you certainly want to get your health back if at all possible. The longer you wait, the more difficult it may be to treat your injuries. So please don't delay. Now there's something else I want to talk about that Josh included in his question that Adam just read. Josh said, I'm not one to sue. Well, Josh, we hear so many people say those same words to us every day. They'll say stuff like, I'm not out to get rich off this case. I'm not one to race to the courthouse to file a lawsuit against another person. The insurance industry has done a masterful marketing job making people feel guilty for pursuing their legal rights. The insurance companies will call anyone that pursues a claim for personal injuries a fake, a fraud, someone that is only after jackpot justice or trying to win life's lottery. They do this to discourage people with legitimate claims from pursuing their cases or hiring an attorney to make sure they are protected. Josh, I know you're not out trying to get something that you're not entitled to receive. You are merely pursuing your legal rights and seeking an attorney to help protect you. And it makes me mad that insurance companies are spewing this propaganda out there. And I assure you, Josh, as soon as they hang up the phone after talking with you, they will pick up the phone to call their attorney. The truth is, the law is here to protect and to help you. So I encourage you to call a lawyer. Look, if you don't call me, if you don't call my law firm, please call someone to discuss your personal injury claim and to educate you on all of your rights and the insurance company's responsibilities. Now, there's another aspect of your statement I want to address. People often assume that whenever they hire an attorney, it means they will have to file a lawsuit in order to get a settlement. This is simply not the case. Let me put this in perspective for you. Since 1993, my law firm has helped over 35,000 victims and their families in their personal injury claims. Before 1993, I worked for a law firm that represented insurance companies on the other side. We would defend the people that are out there causing these wrecks. This is our area of specialty. We know how to handle these claims. And a vast majority of our personal injury cases settle without us ever having to file a lawsuit. We know what the insurance companies want, and we need to make sure that whenever we hire or are hired by a client, that we do everything to properly evaluate their claim and present it to the insurance company. And when we do file a lawsuit, a vast majority of those cases settle without us ever having to go to trial. In my opinion, it's because of the work we do in presenting the claim to the other side. Josh, in another part of your question, you indicated you were on the job at the time of the wreck. You also potentially have a workers' compensation claim. Benefits could include having your medical bills paid by your employer, as well as receiving wage checks while you're out and disabled by your authorized treating doctor. You and I really need to talk so we can discuss all of your rights and benefits, as well as for me to help educate you about the insurance company's obligations and responsibilities. Let me tell you, insurance companies love it when injured victims have no idea what their rights are in a personal injury or workers' compensation claim. And I can assure you, they will not go out of their way to make sure you fully understand those rights. They will not come knocking on your door and saying, hey Josh, we just wanted to let you know you are entitled to receive the following benefits. And keep in mind the Insurance Research Council's on study. Injured victims receive 40% more money just by consulting an attorney, but they receive 3.5 times more money when they hire an attorney. Bottom line, do not try and take on the insurance company and their lawyers by yourself. If you or a loved one has sustained injuries, don't delay in seeking treatment and don't delay in seeking expert legal help. Please, you owe it to yourself and to your loved ones to call a lawyer to discuss the facts of your specific claim. I'd be more than happy to speak with you. Our phone number is 770-934-8000. Again, 770-934-8000. And we'll be back.